In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the type or style of the button of the UserWay widget on your site. The button is also known as the widget icon. Go to your website. This is any website where you have already signed up for and added the UserWay widget. Find your widget button with the accessibility icon. By default, this will look like a circle with a simple graphic of a person in it. This will be floating on the right side of your screen unless you have changed the button position. Click the widget button. Now, in the widget, down on the bottom left, click on the Manage button. If you haven't signed into the widget yet, type your email address and password, then click on the Login button below. In the screen that appears, expand Widget Settings and scroll down to the second option from the top, Change Button Type. Click on your desired icon and then click Apply to your site. If you want to change the button type for all your sites, click Apply to all sites. You can also change the button type via the UserWay Management Console. When you're managing multiple sites, you may prefer using the Management Console as it has more convenient multiple site options. Go to userway.org. On the top right, click on the Sign In text link. In the next screen, type in the email and password you registered with, and then click on the Login button. If it's your first time signing into the Management Console but you've already registered for a UserWay account, don't worry. Your registration email and password will work fine here too. If you have not yet registered, go to Get Your Unique Code video tutorial. If you're already familiar with the UserWay Management Console, just visit manage.userway.org. You're now in the Management Console. In the middle of your screen, you will see a list of your sites. Go ahead and find the site where you want to change the button type and click on it. A new window will slide in from the right side of the screen. On the top right, under your site name, you will see some text tabs, starting with Overview, Report, Stats, etc. Click on the Button Text tab. Now, scroll down past the color selector until you see the button type section. Select the button type or style you prefer. Then, click on Apply to save these settings for your current site, or click on Apply to all sites. While you're in this area, you will also notice your options to change button color, button size, and the button's location on the page for your site, for both desktop and mobile. These are fairly straightforward and you're already here. But if you wish, we also have separate tutorials for each of these actions. Preview your site to make sure changes have been applied.